Lithium's back in the headlines again, following on from a report last month from the International Energy Agency indicating that the world will need to build at least another 60 lithium mines by 2030 in order to meet decarbonisation and electric vehicle plans of national governments. Now, as you can see, the sales of electric vehicles have really taken off, more than doubling in 2021 compared to 2020. And of course, the price of lithium itself has also seen an incredible surge. Between early 2021 and early 2022, there was a 5-fold increase in the price of lithium. Now, with all this demand for lithium, you might be asking yourself, where is it all going to come from? Well, most estimates indicate that South America and Australia have the largest reserves of lithium in the ground. With Australia having such a large share of global reserves and having a well-established mining industry, it's really no surprise to see that there are so many stocks listed on the ASX with exposure to lithium. Now, 9 of the lithium-related stocks on the ASX are big enough to be included in the benchmark S&P ASX 200 index. But a wider search indicates that there are around 72 stocks listed on the ASX that have exposure to lithium. So how do you decide which of these lithium stocks to invest in? Well, having a look at this intraday snapshot of the 72 stocks on the ASX that have a connection to the lithium market, we can see that only one of them is among the 9 that are in the ASX 200. So what do? Do you go with the big cap lithium related stocks? Or do you go with the micro caps? Some of them have a market capitalisation that's worth less than a harbourfront property in Sydney. How do you choose? Before I answer that, I'll ask a very quick favour. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, leave a quick comment. It all helps to let us know that you're enjoying the videos and we'll make more of them. Okay, done? Great, thank you. So which of these lithium stocks are worth investing in? Well, sometimes when it's tricky to make a decision on an individual stock, it's worth considering investing in an exchange-traded fund. Now, there are 3 ETFs I'd like to show you. This first one is Australian listed from ETF Securities. This is their battery technology and lithium ETF with a ticker symbol ACDC. You have to like it just for the ticker alone. It's had a really strong month this past month. It is now up here testing the 100-day simple moving average. It doesn't look too bad, but let's have a look at what some of these other ETFs are showing us. So if we move across to the US now, this is the Amplify Lithium and Battery Technology ETF with a ticker symbol BATT. It has made a clear push above 50-period moving average, still sitting quite a way below the 100-day moving average. It doesn't look too bad, but at the moment, my favourite ETF, the one I think is looking best in the lithium space, is LIT. This is the Global X Lithium and Battery Tech ETF. The chart structure just looks really good. It's testing this resistance around the 7750 sort of region. It's sitting nicely above both the 50-day and the 100-day simple moving average. It does look as though the faster of these moving averages is about to cross above the slower one, which is a nice bullish sign. Now, of course, all these ETFs and battery technology ETFs, they're all sort of tied into lithium, so they're all going to move more or less in the same way. But right now, this is the one that I prefer the look of. And the great thing about buying into an ETF is that it gives you exposure to a whole range of lithium-related companies. So although it might be hard to choose 1 or 2 of those lithium-related companies out of the 72 I mentioned listed on the ASX, by buying a single ETF, you get exposure to a whole lot of companies from around the world. So this one, for example, gives you exposure, just a few of the stocks it's exposed to. The largest lithium producer in the world, Albemarle in the US. We've got SQM from South America. We've got very large Chinese companies in here. And of course, the companies from the ASX. We've got Mineral Resources, Allchem, Pilbara Minerals. We've also got Ioneer, Piedmont Lithium, Vulcan. So they're really, it's a great way to gain exposure to a broad range of assets, all related to lithium and battery technology. Whatever you choose to trade, please remember, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Good luck, thanks for watching, see you again next time.